Now it's time for the very intense 5. Shensea's son, Rogero. This little boy is just cute beyond control.
Trust me. The legendary Bunny Wailer has died. He had been in and out of hospital after a series of strokes. He will be greatly missed.
Yep. So, Cardi B has a dance challenge for her Up song. Well, you know Sierra wasn't going to make that pass her. Cardi says challenge is over, okay? Basically, Sierra take it, done, mash it up, fling it away. Yeah, shell it.
So, curfew remained as it is, but bars need to close 2 hours earlier and no burials are allowed. That last one not going down too well with the public though.
At all. And finally holding the #1 spot this week, Coffee really using up her lockdown time. No sir, what a body! And modeling for Calvin Klein? Wow, we know exactly where Coffee is going straight to the
Girl said, look here, underneath forgot the gym.
Top.
That just
like, yeah, somebody said
gym.
Coffee locked down in the gym.
She locked down in the gym.
And in her diet. But that's it for the Intense 5 this week. We know that a lot happened, but we're sure we'll have lots more happening next week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.